Well, we used to look up in the sky and wonder at our place in the stars. Now we just look down and worry about our place in the dirt. They saved us. They sent a message. There's such complicated data to a child. Not just any child.
I thought you were the ghost.
No such thing as ghosts, babe.
Why did you and Mom name me after something that's bad?
Well, Murphy's Law doesn't mean that something bad will happen. What it means is that whatever can happen will happen. We'll find a way, Professor. We always have. It's like we've forgotten who we are, Tom. Explorers, pioneers, not caretakers.
We're not meant to save the world. We're meant to leave it.
I've got kids, Professor.
Get out there and save them.
Murph.
Go. If you're leaving, just go.
Make yourself useful.
And don't make me leave like this. Come on, Murph. When we get back, we're gonna compare.
Time will run differently for us.
Yeah. Maybe by the time I get back, we might even be the same age. You and me.
We're going to be spending a lot of time together.
We should learn to talk.
Emma not to. Just being honest.
Hey, Tars, what's your honesty parameter?
90%.
Okay. 90% it is, Dr. Brand.
Millimeters of aluminum, that's it, and then nothing. Out there for millions of miles. Won't kill us in seconds.
I like Murph. I like it.
His solution was correct. He'd had it for years.
Cooper, what can I do?
Let me go home.
What are they hoping to find?
Survival.
Our survival instinct is our single greatest source of inspiration.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rage at close of day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Though wise men at their end, no dark is right, because their words had forked no lightning they. Do not go gentle into that good night. Rage, rage against the dying of the light.
Do not attempt docking. I repeat, do not attempt docking.
I repeat, do not.
Brand? But I'm taking command of the Endurance. This is not about my life or Cooper's life. This is about all mankind. There is a moment. Cooper, there's no point in using her fuel to
Analyze the Endurance's spin.
Cooper, what are you doing?
Docking.
Never made one of these, and you're still responding because I was so mad at you for leaving.
Okay, get ready to match our spin with the retro thrusters.
It's not possible.
No, it's necessary.
Today's my birthday. You once told me that when you came back, we might be the same age. And today I'm the age you were when you left. It's gonna be a real good time for you to come back.
Do you have an idea?
Feeling. Love isn't something we invented. It's observable, powerful.
means something more, something we can't yet understand.
Ranger 2, prepare to detect.
Wait, no! Cooper!
3.
Cooper, what are you doing?
Newton's third law. You gotta leave something behind. 2.
You told me we had enough resources for both of us.
1. We agreed, Amelia. 90%. 1.
Don't.
Detach.
Love is the one thing we're capable of perceiving that transcends dimensions of time and space. Maybe we should trust that, even if we can't understand it yet.
If there's an answer here on Earth, it's back there. Somehow in that room.
Gravity. To send a message.
Cooper, they didn't bring us here to change the past.
Do you have the quantum data?
Such complicated data to a child.
Not just any child.
If you're leaving, just go.
They didn't choose me, they chose her.
For what, Cooper?
To save the world. Don't you get it yet, Tars? I brought myself here. We're here to communicate with a three-dimensional world. That's why I'm here. I'm gonna find a way to tell Murph, just like I found this moment.
How, Cooper?
The love, Tars, love.
But what if she never came back for it?
She will.
How do you know?
Because I gave it to her. Did it work?
I think it might have.
She did confirm just how much she loved farming.
Oh, she did she?
It was him! All this time, I didn't know it was him!
You told him I like farming. That's me, Murph. I was your ghost.
Nobody believed me. But I knew you'd come back.
How?
Because my dad promised me.